For eons, northern Colorado boasted a vast forest land full of tall green pine trees and golden aspen. Sun-dappled rivers carved canyons where mule deer and elk drink the clear water and forage on lush growth. Fish, insects, and other creatures call this home. Last year, the fierce Cameron Peak Fire burned thousands of acres of this wilderness. Stately pines were reduced to blackened sticks. Rich forest soils burned to mineral dust. Trails were rendered unsafe for use. Silt and ash runoff will likely destroy habitat for trout and aquatic creatures. Clearly, there's much work to be done. The Forest Service has closed the burned areas. Trails must be rebuilt and made safe. Dangerous trees have to be removed and ash-covered hillsides protected from erosion. You can help. Your contribution to the Poudre Wilderness Volunteers will purchase supplies and put boots in the ground to repair trails, replace bridges, and restore habitat. Thank you for your support.